Dr. Kumar, hair aesthetic surgeon, anti-aging coach, professor of surgery at Maheshwara Medical College. I do hair restoration by FUE and FUT technology, taking the hair from the donor area which is there on the back of the head and will bring it to the front by painless, safe, easy and simple scientific transplantation procedures. We have our center at HYBIZTV Holistic Wellness situated in road number 12 Banjara Hills. We do very cost effectively and we make the person more beautiful, bold and beautiful. I proudly say that we do surgical procedures like hair transplantation along with non-surgical procedures like PRP, stem cells and modified stem cells and many of the cosmetic procedures in our center which is situated in road number 12 Banjara Hills. Maxwell, the pioneer in the field of the plastic surgery, beautifully says correction of the body should be complemented with the correction of the mind. So we take care of not only the body beauty but also we do the correction, beautification, maximization, amplification of the mind and soul. So this holistic approach is the hallmark or the beauty of our HYBIZTV Holistic Wellness. We invite all of you to take care of not only of your body but also the mind and soul at our center. Illness was the earlier concept. Now the wellness is the present issue. Everybody are focusing. If you focus on wellness, you can take care of everything. Earlier there was a compartmental approach. Now the era is of holism. Everywhere throughout the globe, the holistic wellness is emerging. So first of its kind, we have started HYBIZTV Holistic Wellness. I request everyone to utilize all our services. We do yoga, meditation and physiotherapy for physical wellness. We give nutritional supplementation and there are so many wellness specialists along with the doctors. Utilize all our services. Best wishes to you.